Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to enable developer options on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first things first, you just have to simply open your settings or go to your settings. You can swipe down, tap the gear icon, and then look for these settings. Scroll down here and locate the About Phone feature. So usually you can see it at the very bottom. All you have to do is to click that one, and then you have to look for build number. You have to click this or tap this 7 times as much as possible. So just tap the build number 7 times and you should see, or you will be notified that you are now a developer like this. And you can now go back to your phone settings. If you can see a search bar there, then all you have to do is to type developer option, and it will take you directly to the developer option section. So this is what it looks like. You can see here the features, just toggle on or toggle off any feature that you want to turn on and turn off here. Now, don't worry, you can just disable or you can just turn it off anytime. So that's how easy it is to enable developer options on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.